Katba mintirang ba ka Jylla Meghalaya konrad ke sangmau dangdon hadali banya soy ka agreement pynbeit put pat ka Jylla Assam hakmat menteri kampoyeng ke sorkar India Amit Shah haka arpunai reguler arjar puar kalami ka kynram ka thai nang pi hakaba ki sengbalang kilale penjenrat ki mauput balawan si da ka Assam haki jaka khaput ka te ka jaka but one bread hakmat ka office utupdi commissioner ka West Kasil district hagani ka ju ka si unong ilam ko All India Trinamool Congress uzinit sangmau lahiar samai khuli hakaput Meghalaya pat Assam bat hadian ke jingjurep bat sngap ya kasur ki nongsong snong uloong ba sorkar Meghalaya ka syukubar bay ya ka jingpin ka Assam halo put sam bat ki nongsong snong ki persya ban ai jaka saka Jylla Assam.
That too, on the floor of the House, the Honorable Chief Minister has announced that all these areas, before taking any decision, they have discussed, consulted with all the stakeholders, all the villagers. So people's will are being respected and it is taken into consideration before taking this final decision, he said. But when we come to the ground zero, they have not been consulted at all. So this is completely misleading. That too, on the floor of the House, it is very unexpected and unfortunate.
Hapoh kini ki arbnai nadu beladep yasoy ka memorandum of understanding hapdeng umentirang ba ka Jylla Meghalaya u konrad ke sangma bat umentirang ba ka Assam u himanta beswasirma kilami bun kijing persya ya karai ka sorkar Jylla halor ka rukom pynbeit yo put usam dangshen ka barang yai ka dorbar mang tengka ka yeng dorbar thwain ka Jylla ka new trap achik national movement HANM ka lik bread yo mau put ka Assam na jirang hakmat sekretariat bat dawa jubab nak sorkar Jylla balai mau put Assam u wan poi haki jaka Meghalaya.
Sorkar kena jubab balai baput bosam jom ke sorkar akan pulai Meghalaya.
Wat ucu web kaliang persya hayeng dorbar rupa George B. Lingdo uloong bawat la kerdop kabadan nakana pararu kalau dicasam uloong ba nakana para pilang kata ke Assam kenyo iwei point nyup kandai square kilometer bat ka Meghalaya pat kayo tang not point san square kilometer uloong ba tang nakana para la ai not point arpinyo square kilometer sa ka Assam bat wat yow mau put ru lamut ra sadien ka transit kam na strurok silong gauti barim.
So what is clear in the settlement is that we have given away property in Jizang, Khanapara and Tarabari while retaining the claims and habitats along the other stretches. So as per the settlement, the major concern for me is the area of Khanapara and Pilankata, where Assam will be given 1.79 square kilometers and Meghalaya will retain 0.5 square kilometer. Only around Khanapara area, sir, not only the Khanapara Pilanketa, only in Khanapara area, sir, we are giving away 0.27 square kilometers of land, which roughly translates to 66 acres of prime property. And we are made to understand that the Assam government has been allowed to shift the previous boundary of the state, which runs along the old GS road, sir. That will be shifted and coming to behind the STC transit camp on the grounds that it is in the heart of Dispur. So perhaps we have satisfied the Assam government on the claim on this, sir. I don't know whether the people will accept this agreement or not, sir, but then from my perspective, I think in this particular plot of area around the Khanapara area, sir, we have not stuck to the 5 parameters, sir, neither the historical perspective nor ethnicity and others. I object to this, sir. I do not agree on this.
Dangshen hamai khuli ki pai ba kimi ban persya ya ka jingthu man panhap ya ka pungdok ha sa Assam.